For this video, I thought it would be a good idea to go over how to safely catch and also launch your drone by just your hand. This is great whenever you're in a situation, let's say you're on a boat, or there isn't any flat fields for the drone to safely land itself, or maybe you just want to show off with your friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through everything to prevent you from ending up like Ricky Iglesias. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So right now I have the Mavic Pro, and we're gonna go ahead and launch it off my hand. How I like to personally do it is, let me see if I could do this right here. I like to extend my hand as far away as possible, away from my face, to prevent the drone from drifting back towards you if it ever needs to. Just fully extend your hand, and you want to just have your palm like this, and just simply have your drone facing away from you. And just do the auto launch, slide it, and the drone's basically like that. Now with these new drones, they actually have sensors underneath. The Mavic 2 uses IR. What you need to do to catch it is basically open up your hand as wide as possible. Place your hand underneath it. Hold down the joystick. And that's how you pretty much catch it. And that was with P mode. So all the sensors were enabled and the drone was still able to land safely on your hand. And that's pretty much it. And here's another example. If you find yourself in an uneven field like this, what I like to personally do is just set down the controller, have the back part of the drone facing away from you. This way you have time to react if the drone does fly back towards you. And just fully extend your arm. Don't even grab it, just have it on your palm and just use the auto takeoff. And the drone will simply just take off your hand. Just like that. And another tip, whenever you're trying to catch your drone, the sensors might want to fly it, like right now the drone's flying away from me. So that's normal. Just get down below. It's gonna do that, but if you have your hands spread out, get down underneath the center, hold down the joystick, and just grab it. Once again, just make sure the drone is like away from you. You don't want to catch it like right here, or catch it sideways or facing you. Catching and launching your drone off your hand is extremely easy. A lot more easier than the previous Mavic where you had to disable some of the sensors. This one, as long as you have your hand fully spread out, the sensor will see that it's a flat surface and will be confident enough to land on your hand, and you can easily just grab it. So there you guys have it. If you guys learned something new, like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, get subscribed so you don't miss any more tech videos like this. And yes, there's plenty of drone content coming out soon, especially for this little guy. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But until next time, catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.